What's up, online shoppers? I have found the ultimate no-show socks. These are the IDEGG No Show low-cut ankle socks, and they are awesome. They come in this really great little package. So let's open it up and I'll show you why they are my favorite socks. Now, you can get them in a whole variety of different color combinations, but I really love how absolutely dark black these are. They are such a nice sock that you can wear with them just about anything. Let's talk about all the really great features of these socks. First of all, they are super stretchy and they have an arch support right in the middle. So I love the way that it actually hugs my foot. One of my biggest pet peeves is low cut socks that don't stay up, and these are designed to exactly not do that. See that? That little stretchy band there, that's a silicone stretch band, 3 of them to be exact, and they grip and hug your heel so that the socks don't slip. Super cool. Now, I also love the really nice, comfortable, non-cutting elastic that goes around the ankle. It does a great job of holding them up without leaving those tight, squeezy marks around my feet. And let's talk about the toe. This toe is a toe like none other that I have found in low-cut ankle socks. I'm going to turn it inside out so you can see it. Do you see that? That is their seamless toe. What that means is that it has very little bulk and almost no feel on your toes. So when you're running or doing super active things, you don't have a lot of bulk bothering your tootsies. I love that they're cotton with spandex. I love that they're super soft on the skin. They feel great. They're a nice, thick, tight-knit yarn, and it makes for a very comfortable fit. Now, I wear a woman's size 9, and these ones here are the medium fit, and I love how they fit my foot. They are absolutely the best no-show socks I have ever bought. Now, this package here comes with black, gray, and white, but you can get them in a whole variety of different colors. These are socks that are super comfy, don't slip or bunch, and are incredibly comfortable on your feet. Let's see what they look like on. Here we go. Look at that. Now that is a good fitting sock. They are low enough to go in my running shoes and any other low cut footwear I have and stay up and stay put the whole time I'm wearing them. Talk about a great no-show fit. I love these socks. I will keep buying these forever because they are comfortable, stay put, and last a long time. These IDEGG socks are definitely a family favorite at my house.